Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making tuna quesadillas. These wraps are filled with tuna and tons of cheese. What's not to love about that? For the ingredients we need tortilla wraps, spring onion, drained tuna, corn, mayonnaise, grated cheese, and don't forget the salt and pepper. The hardest thing of this whole recipe is cutting the spring onion into little rings. So cut the white part and also the green leaves. Once everything is cut, set it aside. In a bowl, combine the corn, the tuna, the mayonnaise, the spring onions we just cut, and mix everything together until it's all coated nicely in the mayonnaise. Now grab one tortilla and spread on all of the filling. Try to spread it on evenly and don't forget the edges. Once you're happy, add all of the grated cheese on top. Put the other tortilla on top and push it down with your hands. I noticed I forgot to add salt and pepper. Don't tell anyone I just did this, but I added some black pepper and some salt on the filling. Make sure you add the spices when you're preparing the filling. Now grab a big frying pan and add the tortilla to a dry pan on medium heat. Cook it on one side for around 3 to 4 minutes or until the bottom turns golden brown. Flip it using a plate and slide it back in the pan to fry the other side. As you can see, my dog was smelling the tuna and he was begging to get a piece of it. Now the tortilla is nice and crispy, remove it from the heat. Try to put it on the plate in one piece. Cut it into 4 slices. Sprinkle over some extra spring onion and enjoy them while they're still hot. Enjoy! And that's it! This is a quick recipe, an easy recipe to prepare, a budget friendly one, and of course a very tasty one. But as always, I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next, and of course I see you in the next video.